Hey everyone, Trading Carter here. I'm very excited to be doing this little mini series of videos. I have two boxes of 1988 Topps football cards. There's 36 packs in each box. So I have quite a bit of wax to break open here. Looking for that Vinny Testaverde. So nice Eric Dickerson in there. Of course, we got stuff like that. So, looking for the Testaverde rookie. Definitely looking for the Bo Jackson rookie. And just any other rookies we can get. So, probably be doing this in maybe 8 parts. Be doing, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs in each part. So, very excited for this. So here we go. Let's get started. So I'm going to try to save as many of these wax packs as I can, just for a collection, because they are very cool. So, very cool. 1988 Topps football. Here we go. Alright, sometimes they're flipped around, sometimes they're not. Alright, we have Gary Anderson. There's a Too Tall Jones, Lorenzo Hampton, Jerry Gray, Jim Everett. Very nice. Johnny Holland rookie. Love my Packers. Gerald McNeil. We have Jim Kelly, Jay Hildenberg, John Spagnola, Todd Christensen. Nice Art Monk, Joe Nash, Mark Jackson, and James Jones. Oh, we got the stuck back there. You get the 1,000-yard club in every pack. So, there is that one. On to the next. Very excited. And they all come with a piece of gum too, so. Alright, start out with a very nice Joe Montana, and Jesse Solomon, Pepper Johnson, Charles Mann, Nolan Cromwell, nice Walter Payton, Irving, there's a Jerry Rice, very nice, Eddie Brown, very nice Steve Young, we got a Lions team card, and there's a Willis, a Bell, a Booza, Haynes, and Gary Clark, 1,000-yard club. Alright, we have Major Everett, George Adams, Bob Golick, Camarillo, Brown, Lorenzo Smith, Stacy Trorin, there's Bentley, Pollard, Vikings team card, and there we have Leahy, Wilburn, McElroy, Townsend, Chiefs team card, and Anthony Carter. Alright, start out with a nice Roger Craig, Mike Johnson, Woodruff, Metzelross, Donaldson, Jim Ryan, Johnny Hector, nice rookie, Troy Stratford, Mike Gahn, rookie Natel rookie, Jeff Smith, Jets team card, there's Harry Carson, Bill Kenny, John Bosa rookie, and we got Webster Slaughter 1,000-yard club. Alright, Lionel James, Daryl Clack, Robert Alwalt rookie, Tony Collins, Michael Walter, Anthony Carter, Neil Anderson, And then we got Gerald Riggs, Ken O'Brien, Randall, Redskins team card, All-Pro Bill Moss, Marcus Allen, very nice, Michael Downs, and Eric Dickerson. Alright. Some of the gum residue on this one. So we got Scott Fullage, Daryl Talley, Eddie Joe Nunn, Veris. There we go, very nice. Vinny Testaverde rookie card. That is one of the cards looking for. Nice to have it nice, packed fresh just like that. Alright, we got Bill Bates, Keith Bishop, Jay Hildenberg, Spagnola Christensen, Art Monk, Joe Nash, Mark Jackson, James Jones, Calvin McGee, and another Eric Dickerson 1,000-yard club. Few more packs for this first part of the first box. Hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. We got Lee Williams, and there's an Oilers team card. Darryl Green, very nice. Chris Barr, Mel Gray, Wally Galt, Mike Roser. We have an Andre Waters, Stump Mitchell, Rick Brine, Sammy Wander, Paul McFadden, Roy Herbert, Tim Harris, Packers, Mark Bavaro, and Kurt Warner, 1,000-yard club. Alright, start out with a Patriots team card. That gum residue is kind of getting everywhere now. So, but we got Steve Grogan, Jim Lachey, Kevin Mack. We got receiving leaders, Ronnie Lippett, Andre Tippett, and there's Fred Young, Paul Langford, Mark Wilson, Dalton Hilton, very nice Reggie White. I am a big fan of Reggie White. And we got Haran Durson, Mark Malone, and J.T. Smith, 1,000-yard club. So, on to our last pack. Box number 1 of 1988 Topps Football. And we have a Blair Bush, Neil Lomax, Ray Wersching, a Rams team card, Kurt Warner, Tony Eisen, Doug Cosby. We got another Packer. We got Frankie Neal, Rob Riddick, Mike Tomczak, Ron Rivera, Lee Rusin, Gary Anderson, Don Griffin, nice rookie, Timmy Smith, and Roger Craig, 1,000-yard club. There we go. Very nice start. Pulled the Testaverde rookie. So there's part 1. Stay tuned for the rest of the pack openings. See you later, guys.